Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about what's better, Forex or futures, okay? Because there is a large group of people that is now starting to pivot from the Forex market to the futures market, mainly due to prop firms and stuff like that, but that's kind of what we're seeing. So we're going to talk about which is better, right? And I can't really blame people for making that switch. I mean, there's two types of people, right? If you're the type of person that is like making the switch from Forex to futures, let's say you're already like consistent, right? Let's say you're kind of seeing some consistent profitability. You're doing well for yourself. You know what you're doing, and you're making the switch to futures because, well, say you lack capital, right? You lack capital and you want to take full advantage of prop firms, get funded, etc. I can understand moving the futures for that reason because, well, the futures prop firm industry is much more stable. It's much more better than the Forex because we've seen with Forex and we see what happens over there. They're here one day, they're gone the next. It's very unstable. The prop firm industry is over there. I mean, you could still make a lot of money. You could still utilize prop firms, do all that good stuff. I mean, if you're not a U.S. resident, right, then you can. But it's definitely unstable, and it's not like if that is your goal, is that of your objective? Like if your objective is to utilize prop firms to your full advantage, to make the most out of it, to get funded, to get capital, futures is the way to go for that. Absolutely. Okay. And if you want a good futures prop firm, then I'm going to leave a link in the video description to a prop firm that I highly recommend. Okay, this prop firm has been around a long, long time, very reputable, has a long history of paying out. And I've never, like in the past, like I haven't really been comfortable really, promoting Forex prop firms that heavily. Yeah, I've done giveaways with some in the past, of course, on social media, as you guys know, but I've never really got behind backing one, like Forex prop firms, just like, again, yeah, I have, promoted some in the past, but it was really just for giveaways, and that was about it. That's about as far as it went. But I can say with confidence that I have a lot more trust in the futures prop firm industry than I do the Forex prop firm industry. Okay, so if you are looking to make that switch to futures and you want to utilize a prop firm, a good prop firm, check out the link in the video description. I'm going to leave a link to the best futures prop firm. And I do highly recommend them. They're great. They've been in the business a long time, very reputable. And like this industry is just much more regulated. It's much more regulated. It's just a better. And I would say they're going to be around a long, long time. All right, future. I can't again. You should still prepare accordingly. Like you should still, you put that money in. Focus on, take those profits that you make from the prop firms. Same with, as I said, with Forex. Take those profits with the futures prop firms that you obtain and put it into a personal account. And you should still do both, absolutely, because you never know. Like anything can happen. Absolutely anything can happen. But I have a lot more trust in the prop firm industry with futures than I do with Forex. Okay, it's much more stable. So there will be a link below for that. And so that's just one thing, because I'm going to go over a few different things in this video. In regards to the prop industry, that futures, it gets a point for that. Okay, futures has a point for that. Okay. Now, also another thing, a key difference though between Forex and futures is the spread. All right, the spread is better with futures. Like futures is a very, very tight spread, of course, and Forex is typically wider. That's another bonus. That's another point that does go to futures. Absolutely, because you don't get screwed in. You're not going to get screwed on the spread like you sometimes can with Forex, of course, right? So that's another thing, another key difference between the two that you'll see. And really, truth is, price is price, guys. Even there's it's the same signatures. Like this, you'll get the same signatures you see in Forex, and you'll get them over in futures as well. It's like I've said this so many times before. I can understand, switching due to prop firms, right? But if you're the type of person that's switching from Forex to futures, and you're not consistently profitable with Forex, and you think making that switch over there is going to change something, it's not. I promise you it's not. If you can't make money in the Forex market, it's something as small as the spread, right? Because it ain't that big of a, yes, there's a difference, obviously, but it's not, if something like that, as small as the spread, is, you think that's going to make the difference between you becoming profitable, you're in for a rude awakening. If it's something like that, and you think, you're just now automatically you're going to become a consistently profitable trader by switching to futures. It's not going to happen. Okay, if you can't make it happen in Forex, you ain't going to make it happen in futures either. That's just a harsh truth. You can't make money with Forex, you won't make money with futures. Okay, a skilled trader can walk into any market and take what belongs to them. Okay, so changing markets isn't going to help you. Again, I can understand it if you lack capital, you got the skills, but you lack capital and you want to use funding over there. I understand that thought process, but if you suck with Forex, you're going to suck with futures. That's just the truth of the matter, guys. Okay, that's just how it is. So, which one is better? Again, I can't really say one is better than the other. It really just depends on your needs, right? What you want to do. I trade Forex. I love Forex. Again, it's just that's what I am going to be getting the futures here as well in the next few weeks. I'm going to be, because right now I'm just getting used to everything, contract size and all that stuff over with futures. Or I'm not just going to jump in right away and make a bunch of stupid mistakes, right? So I'm getting used to everything right now, but within the next few weeks, I am going to be trading futures as well, and I'm going to be dominating both of those markets, right? I'm not going to stop trading Forex. I'm going to keep trading Forex as I always have, and I'm just going to be implementing and trading another market alongside it. That's what I'm going to be doing. So in conclusion, neither of them was better than the other. It just comes down to what you want to do, right? Now, it's better if you want to utilize prop firms, then yeah, futures is better. But other than that, it's really, guys, it's just, price is price. It's the same signatures, right? Liquidity is liquidity. Market structure is market structure, okay? And if you know how to read market structure, if you understand liquidity, you understand time, then you can take what belongs to you in any market. It doesn't matter what it is. I promise you that. It does not matter if you're trading Forex. It doesn't matter if you're trading futures. It doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, crypto, you name it. Price is price. The same signatures. And that's how it is.